What is the return value of Connection.ping in cx_oracle? I've just installed a Python package cx_oracle. From the cx_oracle document, I found a method, Connection.ping, which is described as ping the server, which can be used to test if the connection is still active. But the document doesn't mention what is the return value of ping. I wrote some code to do a test. From the test result, I found the ping will return none if the connection is okay, or raise an exception, the cx_oracle.interface error column not connected after the connection is closed. Is there any other possible return values? Why not just return true or false?
The cx_oracle documentation states that this method is an extension to the DB API definition and is only available in Oracle 10 GR2 and higher. However, this method isn't documented in PEP 249, the current Python database API specification, in either the connection methods or optional extensions, or anywhere else for that matter. The MySQL implementation of PEP 249 also has this method. The documentation states that when the connection is not available, an interface error is raised. Use the is_connected method to check the connection without raising an error. Raises interface error on errors. As this is identical to the cx_oracle behavior, I would assume that this is the answer to your question and what you've determined the behavior to be is correct. There is no return if the connection is active. An interface error is raised if the connection is not active. If we look at the code for .ping, it confirms that this is the manner in which the method has been implemented.
Thanks to Ben's answer, given a connection object from the cx_oracle library, this should at least encapsulate what you might want.
I just need to